for targets of about 85-90 on the
Okay, Amit, what's your sense?
Yeah, clearly in an uptrend. Actually, even before Yash actually covered it, I was just looking at this stock today itself. Yeah, it's in a clear, strong uptrend, and I think even from this zone, yes, of course, there could be, 5-7%, 10% kind of a down move since the stock has run up so much. But that would be just a small correction, probably in a very, very strong uptrend. And I do see this stock even moving up, even from these levels around. Another 30-40% kind of an upside is definitely possible.
Okay, and Dhaneshwar, what's your Amit, what's your sense on Godrej Consumer?
Yeah, I mean the stock is coming back after the large fall that it had seen. Stock has made some base for itself and now is showing signs of positiveness. The moving averages have shown positive crossovers. They are sustaining. My sense is it will head towards that 730 to 750 kind of a zone on the upside. That's a bit of sticky area on the upside, but possibly it should head towards there. Beyond that, we'll have to see what kind of life it has and how it sustains below that 750 kind of a region. But in the near term, positive.
Okay, what's your sense, Dhaneshwar?
Sharp fall off in GAIL.
Okay, and Amit?
Yeah, I mean, GAIL is definitely a weak counter. In fact, during my conversation on IGR, I did mention the weakness broadly in the sector, and only a few of them are on the stronger note. So yes, definitely GAIL is a weak stock, but around that 120, there is some sort of a small double bottom kind of a formation. So only once it breaches there, I'll actually look to go ahead and further short the stock.
Okay, that's the view that's coming in on GAIL. The next chart is on L&T, and that's by Amit. Let's pull up the chart and let's see what exactly it's indicating. It's a buy call that's coming in. Explain this ADX theory that you've put up.
Sure. Possibly the ADX has come, probably maybe I didn't want to cover it. But anyway, see, basically this is a very strong, between two candles, but this is a pole, a sharp pole, a flag pattern that is developing right now. It's a conditional buy. I'll only look to buy above 1460 on the upside. Today it just made a high of 1450 if I'm not mistaken. So it's a conditional buy which will then give the momentum on the upside, which also would confirm the breakout on the upside.
That will be on the spot level.
The spot level, yes. So it's a nice pattern. I think not the entire sector, but Cements has broken out into all-time highs. L&T is showing strength. So not the entire capital goods sector, but a few stocks within the sector are definitely showing good signs of outperformance. And L&T is also one of them. So basically, I look to buy above 1460. The first target that I have for L&T is 1580. But I think beyond that, it's headed towards 1700 on the upside. I'll keep a stop of 1379 on the upside. The first target probably should be achieved probably in less than 2 weeks. The 1700 target can take a month or two.
Okay, so it's a conditional buy that's
conditional
coming in.
Conditional buy above 146.
Okay, thanks so much for that, Amit.
1200 stock can see strong support area will be 1000.
Okay, Amit.
Yeah, so around 1000 area, the stock has been taking support, but at the same time, it's not finding that energy to move up. It's essentially doing nothing basically. Yes, relatively compared to TCS and all, it has done better, but still there's not much of energy. And the point to note here is the IT index itself has given a negative head and shoulder breakdown on the downside. So I would actually give it a pass mostly for the entire IT sector, because even if it, some stocks within the sector would definitely see downside. Some may just stay sideways, but there's still not the energy to move on the upside. So I would give IT sector a pass.
Okay, and Dhaneshwar?
Yeah, from 2016 we have seen that the HCL Tech is moving in a clear uptrend, but we have not seen that much of reaction towards the northern trajectory. It is consolidating in a narrow range, and just now Amit said that if IT indices has made a head and shoulder, so if you look at closely on the HCL Tech, so it is in the formation of head and shoulder. The right shoulder, head has left shoulder and head has been formed, and now it is into the formation of right and shoulder. If stock is managed to break the 1000 level, so we may see the further escalation towards 800 mark.
Okay, that's the view that's coming in.